Hello! I think it's been a really long time since I've been on camera, and yesterday, oh shit, I'm really nervous right now, I don't know why. And it's currently, I think, 11:30 p.m. and I decided to change my living room because of this new thing. I bought it yesterday. Actually, it was on my mind for so long to buy something really durable and beautiful piece of piano, because I was using this one, I think for 9 years. Yeah, it's not like 9 years I'm playing piano. No, I'm shit at it. And I'm using this one for 9 years, but not like repeatedly. I was deciding to play it for 10 days, and then I was quitting it for 2 years. And then I was thinking, okay, Kibra, you can do it. And I was starting to it again for 15 days and 3 years of no long, how was the praise? Long time no see. It was literally like that. So I was thinking, okay, maybe if I have something that sounds better and feels better, much better, I will start doing it again. So yeah, maybe I wasted my money, but here it is. The real reason I want to change this living room right now, because it's so packed. It's literally so crowded. It's so bad. So I decided to do some arrangements, and I wanted to film it. God knows why. I will attempt to do that. Maybe, I don't know, I will go back to the styling again, but it's really closing the window, and I can't open them. Actually, they are full window, they are opening fully, but I can't use it right now. So I was thinking, like, if I change it, that will be better. Let's start. Good. It's not bad, actually. I liked it. I still can't open this window, but actually when I first moved here, I was using what there was. Okay, there was table here, literally. It was not automatically, it was horizontally, so I was still not able to open it, so only for 1 month I was using this window, but it's not a big deal. So I will show like a grand reveal. Oh, my mansion. I wish it's not. Actually, this part looks really empty right now. The library was filling it up, but now the walls are really looking empty. I will figure it out. Also, I will show. Okay. Also, you might think like, okay, how you are gonna go and eat there? Who is gonna sit here? Actually, while I was using this with my friends, we are never eating there like so tight space or any tight space. We are always with my friends when they are coming here. It's not so heavy, it's really light piece, so we are always taking it here and we have our dinner or lunch, whatever we are having. This is it's right now really packed, and so it's looking like a real, oh my god, I'm breathing so heavily. I realized it. I hope it's not so bad on camera. Probably it is. I thought like this might be a good reading nook because it's close to my books. Other than this is my big window, and this is the new beauty. It is Yamaha P41 actually. It shows here. Yeah, I don't care. The sound I can show it is really good. It's so out of my league. It's really good piece, but I'm not talented or not an expert on it. I will try my best. And this is the really messy area. Like I didn't change anything from here, so this is gonna stay like that, and my old beauty, but I still love it. So it is here. It's looking good. So far so good. So I really like it. It's gonna stay like this. Okay, that's it. Bye.